Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog and add posts in System.io. So first, log into your System.io dashboard and go to the Blogs tab. Click on Create a Blog, give a name and connect it to your custom domain if you have one. System.io will automatically generate a basic blog structure with the homepage categories and space for posts. Next, customize your blog design. You can adjust the header, footer, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Once your layout is ready, it's time to start publishing. Go to the post section and click Create a Post. Add a title, upload a feature image, and write your content directly in the editor. You can format text, insert links, and add images to make your post more engaging. Don't forget the SEO settings. Enter a meta tile, description, and clean URL for each post so it's optimized for search engines. You can also assign categories and tags to keep your blog organized. When you are done, save and publish your post. It will automatically appear on your blog homepage and in the correct category. Repeat this process to keep building content constantly. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.